Welcome to how to insert page numbers tutorial. In this video we're going to show you how to insert page numbers in Word. So if you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. So first you need to go to insert and then click on page number and choose the way of inserting the page numbers. I will choose bottom of page. As you see, the numbers will be inserted in the bottom of the page. Also, if you want the first page to not having a number, like if it's just a title or introduction page, you can click on different first page and then the first page won't have a number. Also, if you want the second page to start from 1 instead of 2, you can go to page number from here, then click on Format Page Numbers. From here, you can click on Start At and then click 0. Click OK. As you see, the first page won't have a number, but the second page will start at 1, as you see here. After that, click on Close Header and Footer. Your pages is successfully numbered. So if you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.